How to shave your legs fast. Best way to shave legs, a good razor. If you're shaving your legs for the first time, be sure to use a new razor cause a dull razor could irritate or infect your skin. Ask your mom or older sis to help you pick out a razor at the local drugstore cause there are lots of choices, from disposables to ones where you change the blade after a certain number of uses. Exfoliating. The first step to smooth, hair-free legs is smooth skin. Scrub your legs down with an exfoliator, which will remove the buildup of dead skin cells and ingrown hairs. A good one to try is fresh brown sugar body polish, which sounds yummy enough to eat. Make exfoliating the last step in your shower routine so that skin has plenty of time to absorb moisture for maximum sloughing. Shaving. Now it's time to shave. Lather your legs with shaving gel. Don't skimp on this cause doing so could lead to nicks and cuts. If you're out of shaving gel, try hair conditioner or shampoo instead. It works just as well and leaves your skin soft and smooth. Gently glide your razor up your leg, in the opposite direction of hair's growth, but be careful when shaving your knees and ankles. Don't press down too hard cause you could cut yourself. Rinse the razor well and let it air dry for the next time you use it. Moisturizing. Pat your skin dry with a towel and immediately apply body lotion to trap in moisture and prevent any flaking. If you have sensitive skin, stay away from heavily scented lotions, which could irritate your newly shaven legs. And if you've nicked yourself, apply antibacterial ointment on the cut right away. Last minute tips. Shaving your legs last in the shower softens skin, opens pores and relaxes the hair, which will give you a closer shave. Never shave on dry skin. Always use warm water when shaving. Cold water gives you goosebumps, which you could accidentally shave off. Ouch. Thanks for watching my video, How to Shave Your Legs Fast Shaver for Legs. Please subscribe my channel.